Narwhal's Otter Friend by Ben Clanton.
Narwhal's other half?
Hey friends, before we begin our exciting read aloud story, please subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button below. Thanks!
And keep reading!
One day, when Narwhal and Jelly were out for a swim,
Hum-de-doo, waffly woo.
What's that? Can it be?
Ahoy! Narwhal, unicorn of the sea.
Wowie wow! I always wanted to meet a narwhal. And what exactly are you? I'm Otty. I'm an explorer.
That is utterly awesome.
You are an explorer? Yes, sir. I wandered the waters, seeking fun and finding friends, just like that incredible captain, Sally Goodheart.
Who's that?
The most amazing explorer ever. Never heard of her. She sails the 7 seas on a sea serpent, and she has all sorts of awesome adventures. Seriously?
Seriously awesome.
Captain Goodheart also has oodles of marvelous mottos such as seize the day, and a whole adventure.
I think waffles, waffles, waffles would make a great motto.
Catchy, I like it.
Being an explorer sounds fantastic. You must have some super stories.
Gosh, golly, I guess I do. I've partied with penguins. Party, party, party. And surfed with seals.
That's totally tubular.
I even met a mermaid once.
That's miraculous.
And unbelievable. Golly gee. And one time I partied with penguins while surfing with seals and the mermaid I met.
Dude.
Hump. You've really done all those things. Yep.
Wow, it sure would be extraordinary to be an explorer, especially with a friend. I have an idea. Let's go on an adventure together.
Really? Does this mean we're friends?
Pretty much. This is going to be fantastic. But first, there is something super important we need to get.
A plan? A map? Mustaches? Surfboards?
Oh, those are all good things too. But there's something even more important. Waffles! Waffles, waffles.
Waffles?
utterly awesome facts. Real facts about a really adorable creature. There are 13 species of otter in the world.
We're all kinds of awesome.
Otters live on every continent except for Australia and Antarctica. They are usually found in or near water.
What a wonderful world.
12 of the 13 species are listed as threatened, vulnerable, or endangered. Otter facts. Otters can be very playful and are known to enjoy slides. When in the water, a group of sea otters is called a raft. Sometimes rafting sea otters hold paws to stay together when sleeping. Sea otters each have a favorite rock they keep in a fold of skin under a foreleg. They use the rock to smash open clams and shellfish to eat. Further facts. Sea otters use bubbles to stay warm. They trap bubbles in their fur, creating a blanket of air that helps to insulate them. California sea otters have the densest fur of any mammals on the planet, up to about 1 million hairs per 6.5 centimeter square. Some otter jellyfish facts. Peanut butter and jellyfish. Aquarists, people who keep or maintain aquariums at the Children's Aquarium at Fair Park in Dallas, Texas, tried feeding peanut butter to moon jellyfish and found that the jellyfish could thrive on it.
Not bad.
A jellyfish body is made up of about 95% water.
Water.
Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. The end.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the big red subscribe button below. And check out more fun stories on our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video with friends and family.